Hello everyone. Affiliate marketing has become a popular way for individuals and businesses to earn passive income by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated. With the right strategies and approach, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative source of income. In this video we will discuss 10 proven strategies to help you make money with affiliate marketing. 1. Choose the right niche. One of the first steps in succeeding with affiliate marketing is selecting the right niche. Focus on niches that you are passionate about or have expertise in. This will make it easier for you to create valuable content and connect with your target audience. Research different niches to identify profitable opportunities with high demand and low competition. 2. Select quality affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, research and select reputable affiliate programs that offer products or services relevant to your audience. Look for programs with high commission rates, good tracking systems, and reliable payouts. Popular affiliate networks like ClickBank, Hotapzo, and Commission Junction offer a wide range of products and services to promote.
3. Build a responsive audience. Building a responsive audience is crucial for successful affiliate marketing. Focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Use SEO techniques to optimize your content for search engines and attract organic traffic. Engage with your audience through social media, email marketing, and other channels to build trust and credibility. 4. Create compelling content. Create compelling content that educates, entertains, and inspires your audience. Use a variety of content formats such as blog posts, videos, and podcasts to keep your audience engaged. Incorporate affiliate links naturally within your content, making sure they are relevant and add value to your audience. 5. Leverage email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool for affiliate marketers to promote products and drive sales. Build an email list of subscribers interested in your niche and regularly send them valuable content, promotions, and recommendations. Use segmentation and personalization techniques to tailor your emails based on subscribers' interests and behaviors. 6. Utilize social media channels. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest can be valuable sources of traffic and engagement for affiliate marketers. Create engaging posts, share relevant content, and interact with your followers to grow your social media presence. Use social media ads and influencer collaborations to reach a wider audience and promote affiliate products effectively. 7. Optimize conversion rates. Optimizing your conversion rates is essential for maximizing your affiliate earnings. Test different strategies such as A/B testing, optimizing landing pages, improving call to action, CTA, placements, and offering exclusive discounts or bonuses to encourage conversions. Monitor your performance metrics and make data-driven decisions to continuously improve your conversion rates. 8. Build trust and credibility. Building trust and credibility with your audience is key to long-term success in affiliate marketing. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships and only promote products or services that you genuinely believe in. Provide honest and unbiased reviews, recommendations, and testimonials to help your audience make informed purchasing decisions. 9. Stay updated with industry trends. The affiliate marketing landscape is constantly evolving, with new trends, technologies, and opportunities emerging regularly. Stay updated with industry news, trends, and best practices to stay ahead of the competition. Attend conferences, webinars, and networking events to learn from experts and expand your knowledge and skills. 10. Track and analyze performance. Finally, track and analyze your affiliate marketing performance to understand what's working well and what areas need improvement. Use analytics tools to track clicks, conversions, sales, and commissions. Analyze data to identify top-performing products, campaigns, and channels, and optimize your strategies accordingly for better results. Conclusion. Affiliate marketing offers tremendous potential for individuals and businesses to generate passive income and monetize their online presence. By following these 10 proven strategies, you can maximize your earnings and build a successful affiliate marketing business. Remember to stay focused, stay persistent, and continuously learn and adapt to the ever-changing affiliate marketing landscape. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing in a practical way, I recommend that you visit the link in the description where you will find this complete training.